Hi, I'm Chris Jaehnig, the director of the production and design studio here at NYU Tisch Drama, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about our summer high school program, which of course is part of the drama department's overall summer experience. Like all of the summer high school programs, ours is modeled on the experience of the school year studio. We deeply value collaboration across our disciplines, and you will take classes that include scenery, costumes, lighting, sound, and management. You'll have drawing, painting classes, drafting classes, and importantly, classes in collaboration, creation, dramaturgy, and storytelling. These classes include both art and craft and introduce industry best practices. All of the classes come together in the creation of a final theoretical project that you will plan and design. Typically, the final project is developed from a short story or a short play that makes connections to current exhibitions in New York City museums and galleries. The project includes budgeting and scheduling, publicity planning, as well as design presentation of physical and digital scenic models, costume mood boards and renderings, lighting paperwork and visualization images, sound design research, and audio cues. The project is ultimately shared with the full drama department's summer high school program's students and faculty in a final share night. The last day of the program also includes a gallery of your work and an immersive experience of your final project. Each week, we will take field trips to museums, theaters, and the New York Public Library for the performing arts. We also sponsor lunches each week for you to meet recent alumni. At the end of the program, you will have created a substantial portfolio of work, both individually and collectively. Many students will include this work in their creative portfolios for college entrance. You will have learned about process, craft, and the art of theater making. Our hope is that you will then take these best practices that you learned back to your high schools to help develop that program in positive ways. You'll also make lifelong friends and collaborators. Finally, we hope you will have fun while learning. While this isn't a summer camp, theater making should be a joyful experience of both growth and development. Hope you apply. Have a good day.